tension setups over here that's gonna hook real good. Left lane for the win. Left lane. Truck for the win. Damn.
Hey, let me up. We even. Yeah, we even now. Very good. Sometimes it's Christmas in July, man.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Damn.
Yeah, let's get paid. Just cheaply. 45. Oh, no, God damn. Boy, these motherfuckers ain't consistent for shit.
Damn.
That shit was fixed.
It was fixed.
Second, but it missed third.
Hey man, I was hoping that was enough.
You thought, what was you betting at,
All you
man?
gotta do is get back in it.
Civic.
Yeah, he would go with the Civic, y'all.
When that makes it good, I just get out of it.
Getting that glue on her. You ready? He ready, y'all. Honda missed it good. Okay. Y'all going with the Corvette? Let me see what side my TikTok is going with. Left lane for the win, y'all. Left lane.
Nice pass. Got to run his buddy over.
How many people you got now?
220.
Okay, I'll just start jumping up right now.
Yeah, get up there.
Y'all check out that YouTube channel, Lookout Racing.
I've been trying to focus on this camera too much instead of the live stream stuff. I got to figure out how to get the camera live stream. That's the next step for me. I might have to just bite the bullet and buy one of those packages and like the live view setup, you know what I mean?
Yeah, buy mine for me so I can
got
have
one?
one.
Okay, yeah. If you got one, I'll go buy
got
it.
one.
I don't know anything about what I would need. Or...
I'll show you everything. I got it already.
Okay.
I already got it. All you got to do is pay the bill.
Yeah.
I think it was $1,500. Some was $1,500.
Okay.
We'll look it up.
Yeah.
We'll look it up together. Cause it was about. I bought it last year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then you'll be able to got HDMI.
Yeah.
That's all you need. That's all you need, and you'll be.
Got it all up here. HDMI.
I probably could walk around with this thing, y'all. Look, you got this long ass pole.
And what I want to do is stick your gyro mount on top of this.
Yeah.
This thing right here is just a quick release.
Yeah.
So when you can screw that mount to anything.
Yeah.
This little piece right there. So you can put that on the bottom of your, instead of your tripod on that gray one, you can screw that bitch right on top there and have a stick that stabilizes. And you'd be professional level with your camera at that point.
Yeah.
That's as clean as it'll get.
And you say, how much is that?
$150.
You need to, man, I don't want to buy that and I ain't gonna like it. I need to practice with it.
I'll bring it over sometime.
Yeah, bring it over. Let me walk around with it, man.
I'm actually missing, because I don't know where it went, but there's a little nub that screws into the bottom right there.
Oh, so it don't have to be.
So it could be a monopod. Yeah, and you can put the legs up.
Yeah, it's an 8 mile track. 8 mile track.
You're trying to loosen that little ball bearing down there. And this rotates freely.
Oh, I need to go on that other side. I ain't been passing out my cards. TSV got all the attachments, yeah. Boy, he got some slicks on this V6, y'all. Y'all think this V6 gonna whoop this 392 or what?
Yeah.
This a V6 right here, y'all.
Yeah. It's got a good tune though. This is the first car that I ever raced out here that beat me.
V6 Camaro for the win. Right lane. Yeah, that would be good. I don't want to get jealous when you start operating the live view. And I'd be like, man, I could have did that, man. How much this camera cost?
Well, you don't need the live view because yours, you need to record in better quality.
Yeah.
That's what you need to do. You need to do what I'm doing here or something not exact. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I still have to be live.
Yeah.